Did you know that we have explored less than 5% of the world's oceans? That's right. Over 95% of our planet's underwater world remains uncharted, undiscovered, and unseen. Oceans, these vast bodies of blue, act as the lifeblood of our Earth, playing a significant role in our planet's ecosystem. They regulate our climate, produce oxygen, and are home to a staggering variety of life. Yet their depths harbor countless enigmas. Hidden beneath their surface are submerged mountain ranges, mysterious deep-sea creatures, and entire ecosystems that we've barely begun to understand. Every ripple, every wave, every current holds a story waiting to be told. As we dive into the depths of the ocean, we aren't just exploring, we're seeking answers to the mysteries that have puzzled us for millennia. As we embark on this journey today, remember we are stepping into the unknown, into the world's largest and least explored frontier. Our journey begins in the shallows among the vibrant, bustling cities of the sea, the coral reefs. These underwater wonderlands are a dazzling display of nature's artistry, bursting with color and teeming with life. They are a testament to the beauty and resilience of life under the sea. Coral reefs are far more than just beautiful landscapes, they're vital ecosystems that support a staggering array of marine life. Imagine a bustling city under the sea, where every organism, from the tiniest plankton to the largest shark, plays a crucial role. These reefs are the bedrock of the ocean, providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless species. They are home to approximately a quarter of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. It's like packing the diversity of an entire continent into a single city park. Here, clownfish dart among the anemones, sea turtles graze on seagrass, and schools of colorful fish swirl in hypnotic patterns. But it's not all about the creatures we can see. Coral reefs are also home to an army of microscopic organisms. These tiny powerhouses, known as zooxanthellae, live inside the coral's tissues and provide them with food through photosynthesis. It's a perfect example of symbiosis, where both parties benefit from their living arrangement. Coral reefs are the heart of the ocean, pumping life into the surrounding waters. They also act as a protective barrier for coastlines, absorbing the brunt of powerful waves and storms, and preventing erosion. Sadly, these vibrant underwater cities are under threat. Climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices are taking a heavy toll on coral reefs worldwide. The loss of these vital ecosystems would not only be a tragedy for marine life but would also have profound implications for humans. So as we marvel at the beauty and biodiversity of coral reefs, let's not forget their importance. These underwater metropolises are essential for the health of our planet and the survival of countless species. But these colorful metropolises represent just the tip of the iceberg in our oceanic journey. Up next, we dive deeper into the mysterious world of the deep sea. As we descend deeper, where sunlight fades and pressure intensifies, we encounter a world unlike any other: the deep sea. The deep sea is a realm of extremes. It's a place where the pressure can be 1,000 times greater than at sea level. The temperature hovers just above freezing, and yet, life not only survives here, it thrives. In this alien landscape, the inhabitants have adapted to the harsh conditions in remarkable ways. Bioluminescent creatures like jellyfish emit an eerie glow, illuminating the inky darkness. This bioluminescence serves various purposes, from attracting prey to warding off predators. Isn't it fascinating how these creatures have evolved to survive in such an extreme environment? Among the bioluminescent inhabitants of the deep sea, the elusive giant squid stands out. This magnificent creature, with its long tentacles and enormous eyes, is one of the largest known invertebrates. These creatures are so elusive they've been more a part of folklore than of science. Yet recent explorations have brought us closer to understanding these mysterious beings, reinforcing the fact that our oceans are full of surprises. In fact, the deep sea is home to a myriad of strange and wonderful creatures, each more fascinating than the last. From the anglerfish with its deadly lure, to the goblin shark with its protruding jaws, each species is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life under the sea. But it's not just about the creatures. The deep sea itself is a world waiting to be explored. There are underwater mountains and valleys, vast plains and deep trenches. And in these trenches, we find an environment so extreme, it's almost otherworldly. However, as much as we've learned, the deep sea remains largely unexplored and misunderstood. Its vastness and inaccessibility have kept many of its secrets hidden. But with every dive, with every expedition, we're peeling back the layers of this mysterious world. These mysterious creatures remind us of the unending marvels hidden in our ocean's depths. Beyond the creatures that inhabit these depths, the ocean floor itself is a world of wonder, teeming with remarkable features. As we dive deeper into the ocean's abyss, we find ourselves in the midst of underwater caves, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers carved by the relentless forces of water and time. These caves are not just geological wonders, but also sanctuaries for a multitude of marine life, each species uniquely adapted to this dark and complex habitat. From the blind cave fish to the stalactite-dwelling bats, these caves present an ecosystem like no other. Venturing even deeper, we encounter a spectacle that seems almost alien: hydrothermal vents. These underwater geysers spew superheated water, laden with minerals from the Earth's crust. Despite the intense heat and pressure, life thrives here. Giant tube worms, eyeless shrimp, and heat-loving bacteria form a vibrant community, defying the harsh conditions. These vents remind us that life, in its most tenacious forms, can persist in the most unexpected corners of our planet. But the ocean's wonders don't stop there. Imagine standing on the rim of an underwater volcano, watching as it belches out smoke and molten lava. These underwater volcanoes, or seamounts, are hotspots of marine biodiversity. They act as stepping stones for species migration and provide essential nutrients that fuel the ocean's food web. Their eruptions, while potentially destructive, play a vital role in shaping the ocean floor and influencing global climate patterns. From the complex cave networks to the effervescent hydrothermal vents and the fiery underwater volcanoes, each of these features harbors its own unique ecosystem. They are not just fascinating natural phenomena, but also invaluable sources of scientific discovery, providing insights into the origins of life, geological processes, and even potential solutions for human health and energy needs. These underwater wonders further emphasize the importance of continued exploration and discovery. As we delve deeper into the ocean's mysteries, we are reminded of its vastness, its beauty, and its indispensable role in our planet's well-being. After all, to protect something, we must first understand it, and there's still so much to learn from the world beneath the waves. Despite its vastness and mystery, our ocean is under threat. The omnipresent hum of human activity is causing ripples that are turning into waves of destruction. Overfishing is depleting marine populations at an alarming rate, with some species on the brink of extinction. Pollution, especially plastic waste, is suffocating our waters, choking marine life and disrupting the delicate balance of these ecosystems. Climate change, the invisible villain, is causing sea levels to rise and temperatures to fluctuate, putting coral reefs and other marine habitats at risk. The acidification of the ocean is another consequence of our carbon emissions, threatening the very foundation of marine life. In the face of these threats, marine conservation efforts have never been more important. Conservation is not just about saving the whales or the coral reefs, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that begins in the ocean. It's crucial that we understand these challenges to protect and preserve our oceans for future generations. Now that we've journeyed through Earth's final frontier, how can we ensure its preservation? Let's consider 3 impactful ways. First, support ocean conservation initiatives. These organizations lead the charge in protecting our marine ecosystems, conducting essential research, and lobbying for policies that preserve our oceans. Your support, whether financial or voluntary, can make a significant difference. Second, reduce your plastic consumption. Plastics are a major pollutant in our oceans, harming marine life and ecosystems. By choosing reusable products, recycling, and reducing waste, you can help alleviate this problem. Finally, spread awareness. Talk about the importance of preserving our marine environments. Share your knowledge, your passion, and your concerns. Encourage others to learn, to care, and to act. Remember, the ocean's health is our health. It's our responsibility to protect this vast, mysterious, and beautiful world beneath the waves. Together, we can ensure that the mysteries and marvels of our oceans continue to be discovered and cherished for generations to come.